You can now connect your Aspire account to HReasily and process salary payments directly from the platform. This integration allows payroll makers and approvers to securely initiate payments from within HReasily. To get started, simply head over to your HReasily dashboard, go to Partner Integration, and select Aspire. Click Login to Aspire. A secure pop-up will appear for you to enter your Aspire credentials. Once connected, HReasily will display your approved payrolls, ready for processing. You'll see a list that can easily be filtered by payment date. Each payroll has a status. Awaiting transfer means the payment has not yet been initiated. Failed indicates the payment was unsuccessful, and transferred to Aspire confirms the payment has been successfully sent to Aspire. To proceed, simply select the payroll you wish to initiate and click View. A pop-up window will open to show you the total payment summary. Select the approval option and click on Make Payment. Log into your Aspire account and approve the payment. That's it. Payroll processed seamlessly without ever leaving HReasily. HReasily and Aspire, working together to make payroll payments faster, simpler, and more secure.